Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day, pushing blood through your body like a champion. It keeps you alive, strong, and full of energy. But what if I told you your heart might be in danger and you don't even know it? Every year, heart disease steals millions of lives across the world. It's like a silent thief sneaking in when we're not looking. And here's the wildest part. Most of us are ignoring one simple, powerful way to fight back. It's not a fancy pill. It's not a secret surgery. It's a fruit. A juicy, delicious, super-powered fruit. And you're probably not even eating it. Today, we're going to change that. Let's go on a journey into the heart, into the truth, and into the #1 fruit that could help save your life. The surprising superhero inside your chest. Imagine this. Deep inside your chest, there's a superhero. No cape, no mask, just muscle. It's your heart. It beats all day and all night. It never rests, it never complains. It works even when you sleep. But like every superhero, it has a weakness. Junk food, stress, no exercise, smoking, too much sugar. These are like kryptonite for your heart. Over time, your blood vessels can clog up. The heart struggles to pump. It gets tired, worn out. That's how heart disease begins. But here's the exciting part. Your heart can fight back. With the right tools, it can heal. It can grow stronger. And one of those tools is a magical fruit you've probably never thought much about. The fruit aisle mystery. Walk down any grocery store fruit aisle. Apples? Sure. Bananas? Of course. Strawberries? Everyone loves them. But there's one fruit that sits quietly in the corner. Most people walk right past it. Some don't even know what it is. It's deep red, a little tart, and it's shaped like a tiny jewel. It's the pomegranate. Say it with me, pomegranate. It may not look like much, but inside that round ball is a treasure chest full of juicy red seeds called arils. And those seeds are packed with a secret power. A power that your heart has been waiting for. What makes the pomegranate so special? Here's where the magic happens. Inside every pomegranate seed are antioxidants. Think of them like tiny knights in shining armor. Their job? To protect your heart from damage. The most powerful one is called punicalagin. It's a name that's hard to say, but easy to love, because it fights something called inflammation in your blood vessels. Inflammation is like a tiny fire burning in your body. It can hurt your arteries and make your heart work harder. But punicalagin helps put out the fire. Pomegranates also help lower bad cholesterol, raise good cholesterol, and even lower blood pressure. It's like a full-body shield for your heart. From just one fruit, the science is clear. Let's talk science. But don't worry, we'll keep it easy. In one study, people drank a little pomegranate juice every day for just 3 months. Guess what happened? Their blood pressure dropped. Their blood flowed better. Their hearts got stronger. In another study, people with heart disease had less plaque in their arteries after eating pomegranate regularly. Think about that. This fruit actually helped unclog their arteries. And here's something wild. Some scientists even say pomegranate juice works better than red wine or green tea. When it comes to antioxidants, that's huge. So why aren't we eating it? Here's the mystery. If pomegranates are so good for us, why aren't we eating them every day? The answer might surprise you. Some people say they're messy, or they're too hard to open, or I've never even tried one. And it's true, getting the seeds out takes a little work. But let me ask you this. Is your heart worth 5 extra minutes? Because 5 minutes of slicing and scooping could give you years of life. Years of dancing, laughing, and playing with the people you love. It's not just a fruit, it's a lifesaver. How to eat a pomegranate without losing your mind. Okay, let's solve the messy problem. Here's a fast, fun way to eat a pomegranate. 1. Cut the pomegranate in half. 2. Hold it over a bowl, seed side down. 3. Whack the back with a wooden spoon. 4. Watch the seeds fall like red rain. Boom! Easy, fast, and kind of fun too. You can eat the seeds plain, or sprinkle them on salad, yogurt, or oatmeal. Or blend them into smoothies. Don't want the seeds? No problem. Just grab some 100% pomegranate juice from the store. But make sure there's no added sugar. Simple, right? Real stories, real hearts. Let me tell you about Tom. Tom was 52. He loved burgers and fries, but his doctor told him he had high blood pressure and early heart disease. Tom didn't want medicine. He wanted a change. He started walking every day. He ate more fruits and veggies, and yes, he started drinking 1 glass of pomegranate juice every morning. 6 months later, his blood pressure was lower. His cholesterol improved. His doctor said, "Whatever you're doing, keep doing it." Now, Tom tells everyone about his heart's new best friend, the pomegranate. Then there's Mia. She's only 28. Super healthy, but her family has a long history of heart disease. Mia didn't want to take chances, so she added pomegranates to her life, on her yogurt and her smoothies, as a snack. She says, "It's my way of giving my heart a little love before anything goes wrong." Smart, right? It's not just for adults. Here's the cool part. Pomegranates aren't just for grown-ups. Kids love them too. They're sweet, crunchy, and fun to eat. You can even turn them into frozen popsicles, or mix them with other fruits for a colorful snack. And guess what? The earlier you start loving your heart, the longer it will love you back. So whether you're 8 or 80, this fruit is for you. The daily heart habit. Want to make a difference in your heart health starting today? Here's a simple plan. Step 1. Buy 1 pomegranate or juice. Step 2. Eat a handful of seeds or drink half a cup of juice. Step 3. Do it every day. That's it. 1 fruit. 1 habit. Big change. You don't have to become a health guru overnight. You don't need to be perfect. Just take 1 small step. Let your heart know you care. The challenge that could save your life. Let's end with a challenge. For the next 7 days, eat pomegranate every day. Seeds or juice. Your choice. Then ask yourself, how do you feel? Are you proud of yourself? Is your heart smiling? You might not feel the change right away, but inside your body, powerful things are happening. Your blood is flowing better. Your arteries are healing. Your heart is thanking you. And that's just the beginning. The final word. Don't walk past the fruit that could save you. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't walk past that red, round fruit. Pick it up, take it home, crack it open. Because inside there's a gift, a weapon, a shield, a chance to fight heart disease before it even starts. The #1 fruit for heart health isn't some miracle pill from a lab. It's not rare or expensive. It's the humble, powerful, incredible pomegranate. And now that you know its secret, what are you waiting for? Heartbeats are precious. Make yours count. Eat a pomegranate today.